Pass me that y'all, bitch, I'm on that y'all trick. Yonka list, bitch, I'm on that y'all, and they got me paranoid. Y'all trick, that's that y'all, bitch, Yonka list, bitch, I'm rolling bud, and they got me paranoid. Y'all trick,
son, where'd you find this?
Yonka list, trick, I'm on that y'all, and they got me paranoid. Y'all trick, that's that y'all, bitch, Yonka list, bitch, I'm rolling bud, and they got me paranoid. Y'all talk slick, yo, bitch, here, y'all. She wanted the y'all. Flickered on pillow talk. He just made the work bubble. Not no Air Max with the mini air bubble. Ain't no rock in my sock, cause I got the jaw holder. Bitch, that screaming, man, don't call me, man.
What's up, YouTube? This Dr. Trey Kid a Flicker, man, and you're tuned in to another episode of Whips and Flaps. Alright, you guys, we back out here late night, man. Alright, we out here working on the 2000 Tahoe. I showed you guys before I bolted the rims up on here. I did the lower Balljoint because it was leaning in. I went to go hit some blocks in it today, and the steering was a little funny. Not too bad, but it was a little funny. So I got out and looked at it, and the side where I did the lower Balljoint is leaning in. So it looks like we need the upper too. So about to be putting the upper Balljoint on here and see if I got a clean, smooth ride after that. All right, so guys, we about to get to it.
All I gotta do is knock the pin out. Knock the clamp off, brother. Okay.
You said the upper easier than the lower one.
Somewhat. You got the key?
It ain't open?
No. I locked it all.
Oh,
Oh no, you just came back in it. It's locked. It's locked. Maybe that door is open.
Oh, yeah, probably.
Yeah. You got out of it.
Yeah, probably. Fresh one in there. Like, what's that blue shit on the bottom of it?
That's the damn rubber.
The rubber part.
You ain't end up having to take it all the way off, huh?
Huh?
The control arm?
No.
Just had to hit the fuck out that motherfucker.
Yeah.
Oh, Balljoint, she ass.
Man, it's like me do.
Gotta make sure my suspension straight. You guys see I'm running these 26s on here. Like I said, I just did the lower one first the other day, and it was linked in, and the wheel was straight after we did the lower one. Then I rolled it a little bit, then the top one started leaning in now. So hopefully everything should be nice and tight after this. Keep y'all updated, you guys. hand straight, he just went on the back end. So ho, bring that back, cause bitch, this a business. Think that money make you hard, well I'm here to hurt your feelings. Jack one track, blow your career off the map. Think you hard body till that gauge weighing out. Know you got a body, but it don't mean nothing to me. Killed your best friend because he fucked your old lady. Now do you feel glad? Do it really make you feel better? That's why y'all handling business. She still tricking off, nigga. You can't understand, cause you treat her so good. The bitch hardcore, she sleeps no shit with Eskimos. Think it can't be